Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's 12 days of tutorial, I'm going to be doing a look using the BH Cosmetics times Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition. Who remembers this? In case you didn't know, Carli Bybel collaborated with BH Cosmetics twice. This is the bigger edition from her original collaboration with them, and it looks like this. How pretty. This is where she has like her eyeshadows and then her blushes, which you can use as eyeshadows as well. So yeah, today's look is going to be fairly simple. So yeah, if you're interested to see what I create using this palette, then keep on watching. Alrighty, amigas and besties. So like I mentioned, I'm going to be doing a look using this palette. So why don't we just jump in? So far I have my eyebrows done with nothing new. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz to outline my eyebrows, and then I used the dual powder to fill them in, both in Ebony. Then I carved the bottom of my eyebrows and primed the lids using MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And then of course I lightly set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on so far. So now I'm just gonna jump into the eyeshadow palette. So I even have the little insert. I haven't even taken it off. But alrighty, so and on here she has aspire to inspire. How cute. Alrighty, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab my jumbo size shader brush, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here. She doesn't have names, so I'm just gonna point, which is this vanilla shade, and I'm just gonna use this to set my entire lid, even though I already did. But you guys know me, I like to try to use as many eyeshadows as possible in the palette. So I'm going to apply this to the brow bone and then drag it down. Now I'm going to go into a blending brush. The one I'm using is from the Mickey and Friends. This is the MM5. This is a blending brush, and I'm going to use this color right here. I'm going to dip into this shade and this one, these two mattes, and I'm just going to apply them to the crease. So I'm just blending back and forth, all the way up until the crease. If you feel like you brought it up too much, you can always use the brush that you applied that vanilla shade and apply it back to the brow bone, just to bring down that color down a little bit, like so. And it also helps you blend out the edges as well, so it doesn't look too harsh, like so. Alrighty, now I'm gonna grab a more tapered blending brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade, let's see, this one right here, and I'm gonna apply it to the outer part of the crease. So that shade is a little bit powdery. That's okay. Alright, now I think I'm going to dabble into this darker brown right here, this matte right here, and I'm going to apply it to the outer crease just to darken it a little bit more. Now I'm going to go back in with my blending brush, and I'm just going to blend this right here with circular motions. Alrighty. Now I'm going to go in with the glitter glue. Since I'm going to be going in with the shimmers now, I'm going to be using the McGrath IntensifEYES Artistry wand, and I'm going to apply this to this inner part of the eye towards the middle. And now I'm going to go into this shimmer shade right here with my finger, and I'm gonna go in with a brush, and I'm gonna apply it to the inner part of the eyelid. Actually, I'm gonna use my finger. Now I'm gonna use this peachy shade right here, and I'm gonna apply this in the center right here. All right, that's like a rose gold. Alrighty, so that's what those two shades look like. They're kind of similar on the eyes. This is a little bit more pink. This shade is a little bit more like peachy pink, more like a rose gold kind of shade. I'm not sure if the camera is gonna pick up the difference between the two, because it looks kind of subtle in person. But now I'm just gonna use my blending brush, and I'm gonna go back in a little bit with that brown we used in the crease, and I'm just gonna run it through the crease. Now I'm gonna grab the other tapered blending brush with that brown and just run it through the outside of the lid, the outer part of the lid. And yeah, this is as subtle as what we're gonna do. So yeah, now I'm gonna jump off camera, do a liner, lashes, do the complexion, and then I'll show you the final result. So stay tuned. And I'm back. So this is the final look. So I wanted to do something different. I just felt it looked too simple. So what I did was I drew a line with my NYX eye and eyebrow pencil in white pearl, and I traced the line from the inner corner to like halfway, and then I used one of the highlighters in the palette, which was this white one right here. I used this one to intensify it a little bit more, and I feel like it added something to this look, because it was really simple. And I don't want to give you guys that for 12 days of tutorial, even though the shine was for the palette, which it's a beautiful palette. It's just very natural, as you can see. I did like the look regardless if I did the liner or not, but I figured why not try something new, right? Something outside of my comfort zone. And you know, I just did that line, and I like it. It's different. And yeah, so that's the look I was able to create using this eyeshadow palette. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope you've been enjoying all the tutorials for 12 days of tutorials. How many times am I gonna say tutorials? But yeah, I really hope you're enjoying them. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.